I became a doctor because I actually thought I was going to go into finance. It was the most boring job, unfulfilling and unsatisfying experience that I could have ever possibly imagined. So I had some existential dread in my 20s, and I volunteered at a hospital the next summer, and I was just inspired to try to figure out a way to make a connection with people to improve their health literacy so that they could make informed decisions that would prevent suffering down the road. Probably the best decision I've ever made. Hi, my name is Rachel Kelz. I'm an endocrine surgeon here at Penn Medicine. The principal form of my work is my clinical practice. So I do all sorts of thyroid surgery and neck dissections that go along with that in the treatment of thyroid cancer, and then I do parathyroidectomies. Thyroid disease and parathyroid disease are totally different. They share a name, of course, but that's because the parathyroid glands are located in close proximity to the thyroid. A lot of people have hypothyroidism or low thyroid function. Those people usually don't need surgery. There are some indications where they might. Hyperthyroidism, which is an overactive thyroid, can be caused by a few conditions, almost all of which have a surgical treatment. Patients usually come to me after they've been told they have a problem with their thyroid or their parathyroid gland that could be surgically treated. I like to see patients who clearly need a surgical procedure or operation because it's easy for them. It brings them calm to get scheduled and know that they're being taken care of. But I also like to see patients where there's some decision making that needs to happen because I think in collaboration with other specialists, the endocrinologists, the nephrologists, the primary care doctors, sometimes the patient needs a holistic view of what the expectations could be if they do have treatment or they don't have treatment. And so I like to be able to provide that balanced perspective as well. And then we'll get into the discussion on what is their diagnosis? Do we need to do some additional workup? And if they are going to have surgery, what does that entail? The Department of Surgery at Penn Medicine is really a sum of all of its people. What sets us apart is the collaborative spirit of the department. You have a bunch of highly talented people who can compete, and yet we choose to compete together to better the common good. The idea of being committed to today's patient in the moment while building a better path for tomorrow's patient because you're able to learn from yesterday's patient is sort of an overarching theme that I think holds true and resonates for most of the people who work at Penn. I want my patients to know that I will do everything in my power to make sure that they have the best possible outcome achievable given their unique circumstance. And I also want them to know that in the operating room, they can trust me. I think I am very privileged and feel very grateful to each of my patients for having entrusted me with that responsibility.